This, guys, is a type of conversion question which actually trips quite a few people up. Let's have a look at how to do this one. This question asks us to convert 47 over 4 into a decimal. Now, what's a little bit different about this one? It's going to be the fact that we have an improper fraction here because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what do we do? A couple of different ways to think about this one. My personal advice would always be to firstly convert this improper fraction into a mixed number, and then we can write the mixed number and then the fraction written as a decimal. Let me show you what I mean. So 47 over 4 into a mixed number. How many times does 4 go into 47? It's going to go in 11 times fully because 4 times by 11 is 44. 4 times by 12 would give us 48, which is too big, so it goes in 11 times fully. So the number part of our mixed number is going to be 11. And then what's the fraction going to be? Well, how many bigger is 47 than 44? It's 3 bigger, so we have 11 and 3/4. Where do we go from there then, guys? It's going to be a little bit easier from here because what we can do is we can just write our 3 over 4 as a decimal and then add that onto the end of our 11. 3/4 as a decimal to convert a fraction into a decimal, guys. What do we do? The best way is going to be to firstly write it as a fraction out of 100. So we're going to write down 3 over 4 is equal to something over 100. Now, how do we get from 4 to 100? We're going to times it by 25. So we're going to have to do the same to our numerator here. 3 times by 25, that is going to give us 75. So we have 75 over 100. That means that our percentage would be 75%. And our decimal would be 0.75. If you're not sure how to do that, guys, consider having a look back at my video on converting fractions into decimals and percentages. From here, guys, we know that our 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75, so we can write 11 and 3/4 as 11.75. So what we've done there is we've just swapped the fraction of 3 over 4 for our decimal of 0.75, giving us our final answer of 11.75.